7 distinctions between destiny and fate. F-A-T-E. People often interchangeably use the word destiny and fate as though they are the same, but they are conceptually different. Please follow me. Number 1, fate represents a predetermined path dictated by outside forces with no room for free will. It is a demonic agenda. But destiny is the ultimate destination of God's predeterminate counsel for one's life, which is achieved not only by God, but through your own active choices and decisions. Number 2, it is generally believed that human beings don't have a say or a control over fate, but Christians, through the force of faith, F-A-I-T-H, can nullify and truncate the demonic fate over them or around them. But destiny is what we achieve by cooperating with God, and it can be hindered by the person of destiny. Number 3, fate is tied to negative outcomes or misfortune, but destiny is God's good and glorious plan. Even if it is associated with sufferings, while fulfilling it, it will earn us eternal reward. God told Paul that he will suffer many things for his sake. Acts chapter 9 verses 15 and 16. Number 4, the 4th distinction. Faith is a satanic agenda to steal, to kill, and to destroy, which unbelievers have no control over. They end up in that dungeon regardless of what they do. But destiny is to execute God's eternal plan regardless of satanic activities. God said to Saul of Tarsus, Paul, that you are going to witness for me in Rome. While he was going on his way to Rome, there was a terrible storm, but he got there. Acts chapter 27 verse 10 to 20. Now, number 5, faith usually comes by evil forces, wicked people, or wicked leaders who make decisions that brings misfortune that affect us. Our own wrong decision can also bring us disaster. Again, there are natural and physical disasters. That is not with destiny. Destiny is God's good and great things, marvelous things that God has in store for you, that you have and you experience as you follow the Lord. Number 6, biblical destiny is realized as we follow God's leading and executing what He is doing in us, which bring Him glory and benefits humanity. Faith does not benefit anybody. Faith is orchestrated by devil to steal and to destroy life. And lastly, number 7, you do not need to do anything to make faith to come to reality, because the enemies have programmed it in the womb of time. You don't need to do anything for faith to happen to you. The enemy of your life has programmed it they have planted it ahead of you in the womb of time. It will just blast one day. But it takes faith, actions, and obedience for God's predeterminate counsel to come into reality. Beloved, you need to know more about destiny. I'm telling you, and you need to be prepared for destiny. Join the saints of God in August 9 to 16. We have an intensive training on equipping for destiny. Click the link below very fast and register. God bless you.